Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a cage code through home Sam.Gov registration. So a cage code is used to identify a business that wants to work with the US government. If you want to bid on government contracts, so this is one of the important parts of the process. So to start, go to home Sam.Gov and sign in with your login.gov account. Then choose the option to register your entity and enter the required business details such as your legal name or legal business name, address, contact information, and tax details. When you reach the cage code section, choose no if your US business does not already have one. After you submit your home.sam.gov registration, the cage code will be assigned as part of the review process. So once your registration is approved, you can check your home.sam.gov profile and see your cage code connected to your entity. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.